Hi, my name is Stella and today I'm here with the EyePop dashboard to teach you about workflow. Workflow is a feature that links EyePop's abilities together so you can get multiple data points from just one input. Let's get started. Alright, as you can see right here we have the starting block and over here is our ending block. In the side panel is all of the abilities that you can link together. So let's start with vehicle. Drag it over and drop it, and then connect it from the starting block all the way to the ending block. You can set your confidence level, which basically means that you are telling EyePop.ai how to filter its results. So if it gets anything that it is less confident about, it won't show it. So if we put in 0.5, that means that anything that it is less than 50% sure is a vehicle, it will not identify as a vehicle. If we go to preview, it'll connect to the EyePop server, and then we can select the photos. Alright, as you can see on this side, we have the car, and the blue bound box is where EyePop.ai is telling us it has located a vehicle. If we go onto this side, we have the class label, which it says car, and then our confidence, which is 90%, so it is telling us that it is 90% that there is a car within the blue bound box. And then over here is the dimensions, which is telling us where on the picture the bound box is located. If we go to something a little more complicated, you'll notice that there's lots and lots of bound boxes. So all of those can be found over here, the different cars and trucks, and then their confidence level. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll get to more of the 55, 64% sure. If we were to take the confidence threshold and pull it up, it would start to eliminate some of these cars up here that you can't see very well. This is because EyePop thinks that there's probably a car right here because it sees this part of it or this part of it, but because it cannot see the whole car, it is only 55 or 64% sure that there actually is a car there. Alright, as you can see, I have now connected the tracking ability to our vehicle ability. If we go to preview and connect to the server, then we can upload a video. Alright, as you can see, even when the car is in motion, it is still able to keep that bound box around the car. And then it also has all of the bound boxes for the cars on the outside. Now, if we go over here, you can see that I have connected our vehicle and tracking, and then I have added another thing, which is our license plate reader. So we have our license plate identifier here, and then this is going to read the text that it identifies from the license plate and put it on the JSON result. Alright, as you can see, it is tracking the car just the same way it did before, but it also has a bound box around the license plate because it can identify that the license plate has words on it. So if we pause it when the license plate is in frame, we can go down and you see these ones up here are identifying some of these cars because you can't see their license plate, but if you scroll down into the part that has this little part of the result that sticks out and it says Poppy, because that's what this license plate right here says. The bound box is kind of covering it, but that's what it says. And if you scroll down, there's not anything else on here because there are not any license plates on the front of these cars. And so it just won't give you a result. But if there were license plates, then there would be little things that stick out, like this one that says the license plate. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you have any questions or you have any ideas that you want to see in workflows, please let us know down in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.